Before starting video, please like and subscribe our channel. Electricity is produced using various methods depending on the energy source. Here are the most common ways electricity is generated: thermal power plants, fossil fuels. How it works: fossil fuels like coal, oil, or natural gas are burned to produce heat. This heat is used to boil water, creating steam. The steam spins a turbine connected to a generator which converts mechanical energy into electricity. Example: coal-fired power plants, natural gas power plants, hydropower water. How it works: flowing or falling water like in rivers or dams turns a turbine connected to a generator. The movement of water provides the mechanical energy needed to generate electricity. Example: dams such as the Hoover Dam, wind power. How it works: wind turns the blades of a wind turbine. The turbine is connected to a generator which converts the kinetic energy of the wind into electricity. Example: onshore and offshore wind farms. Solar power. How it works: solar panels' photovoltaic cells capture sunlight and convert it directly into electricity using the photovoltaic effect. Alternatively, concentrated solar power (CSP) uses mirrors to focus sunlight to produce heat, which generates electricity. Example: rooftop solar panels or solar farms. Nuclear power. How it works: in nuclear reactors, the fission of uranium or other radioactive materials releases heat. This heat is used to create steam, which spins a turbine connected to a generator. Example: nuclear power plants like Chernobyl or Fukushima. Geothermal power. How it works: heat from beneath the Earth's surface is used to produce steam. The steam spins a turbine connected to a generator. Example: geothermal plants in Iceland, biomass energy. How it works: organic materials like wood, crop waste, or animal waste are burned to produce heat, which generates steam to turn a turbine. Example: biomass-fired power plants. Wave and tidal energy. How it works: the movement of ocean waves or tides turns a turbine, which generates electricity. Example: tidal barrages or wave energy converters. Chemical energy batteries and fuel cells. How it works: chemical reactions in batteries or fuel cells generate electricity directly. For example, hydrogen fuel cells combine hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity. Example: portable batteries, electric cars, and hydrogen fuel stations. Other emerging technologies, methods like thermoelectric generation using temperature differences, piezoelectricity using mechanical stress, and fusion power, still experimental, are also being developed. Each method has its advantages, disadvantages, and environmental impacts, making the choice of generation method important for sustainability and efficiency. Thank you for watching video.